Hello everyone, welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 48. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's serial number NE1811611183. So let's get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. This pack last. So here we go, pack number 1. We have base and base. And we have a color contenders card for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Carl Sneap. 303 out of 999. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 2. We have base and base. We have a freshman signature card from Certified for the Nashville Predators of Roman Josi. Decoy, base, and base. Pack number 3. We have base, base, and base. We have a draft year combos from 04 of Radoslav Olev and Nick Johnson. This will be between the Penguins and the Panthers. Randomize this at the end. Base and base. Pack 4. Base and base. We have a Crown Royal rookie for the Minnesota Wild of Warren Peters. Decoy, base and base. Pack 5. Base and base. We have Pinnacle Berkey for the Stars of Jordy Ben. Decoy, base and base. Pack number 6. We have base, base. We have a Pinnacle Rookie for the Blackhawks of Andrew Shaw. Decoy, base and base. Pack 7. Base, base, and base. We have a Rookie Treasures card for the Phoenix Coyotes of Andy Mealy. Dual jersey and auto. 477 out of 499. Base and base. Pack 8. Base, base. Pinnacle Rookie for the Sabres of Braden McNabb. Decoy, base, and base. Pack 9. Base, base, and base. And we have a rookie rivalry card between the Canucks and the Wild of Jan Sove and Brett Bulmer. We'll randomize this one at the end. Base and base. Pack 10. And base, base. A Pinnacle Rookie for the Canucks of Zach Kassian. Decoy, base, and base. And the final pack. And I have a nice card here. have an Ice Kings from Crown Royal on-card autograph of Gabriel Landeskog for the Avalanche. So nice hit. 22 out of 99. Nice hit to finish it off for Colorado. So just set up the randoms now. Give me 1 second. So here's the first one between Florida and Pittsburgh. It's a draft your combos card. Randomize it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Florida. And then the rookie rivalry card. 1, 2, and 3. So that one goes to Vancouver. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.